Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We begin our sessions with revision. With revision. With revision. With revision. What is revision? What do you think is revision? Revision है. So you have to use a little bit of Tamil. Revision है. ये वाला practice मत कर लेना. Okay. What is revision? It's recapping or remembering what we did yesterday. Wonderful, lovely. Oh, again improving our memory. Wonderful. Revisiting. Very nice. Yes. Okay. Studies and research have said whenever we do revision within 24 hours. How many hours? How many hours? Within 24 hours when we do revision, our retention power, our memory power, our remembering power goes up by 85%. How much? 85%. How much? 85%. How much? 85%. How many of you want to remember more? How many of you want to remember more? Say hi. Lovely. So 85% we can remember in how much time? How many times you will do in how much time you will do? 24 hours. Correct. Within 24 hours we must do revision. We must do revision. Only when we do within 24 hours we can remember how much? 85%. So let's get started. Okay, now everybody please rise. Please raise nahi hota hai kabhi bhi. Please rise. Okay, and please rise. Everybody please stand up. Please stand up. Okay, we did